Hi you guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make custom stickers on WhatsApp. WhatsApp hasn't launched an official sticker maker app for Android or iPhone just yet, but you can rely on a range of third-party app options to make custom stickers. You can also use WhatsApp's web version to create custom stickers on your desktop. I'm going to show you how to do all of this today, starting with the mobile app, so let's jump right in. Okay, so for this first method, you're going to want to have an app called Top Stickers downloaded. This app lets you create your own custom stickers out of several different methods. So once you have that downloaded, you're going to open up this app, and on the bottom left-hand side, you will find the Create button. So click that, and it's going to open up your library. So if you see at the bottom here, you can choose from a few different places. You can either take a live photo to create a sticker from, you can choose from your camera roll, you can create a GIF out of a video or live photo, or you can create text. So I'm going to choose from my camera roll to start off here. I'm going to choose a photo. And when the photo first comes up, it's going to just look like a regular photo, and there's a few things you can do to make it look a little bit more like a sticker. So to start off, you'll want to click on option background, and you can turn on the magic wand and it's going to erase the background for you. And if you click on eraser, you can sort of color around the edges like this just to clean it up a little bit. You can also crop your image, and once you're finished cropping, you'll just hit done in the right corner. You can create a border for your photo. You can even add stickers to your sticker and filters. And once you're finished, you're going to go up to the top right corner and hit done and done again. And then you're going to want to create a new pack to save it into. So you can name your pack so that you know what to choose from. And then once you're finished, you can hit save in the top right corner. So once you have your pack saved and your sticker saved, it's going to bring you to this menu here, and if you want to use this sticker in your iMessage or your WhatsApp, you're going to click Add Stickers To, and it's going to bring up your Add to WhatsApp or Add to iMessage, and you can add it to both of those by clicking on them. As you can see here, WhatsApp only allows packs with at least 3 stickers, so to start off, you'll want to create at least 3, and once you have your pack created, then you can add it to your iMessage and your WhatsApp. So basically what this did, since I only have 1 sticker made, it just duplicated it 3 times so that it can be added into my WhatsApp. It's going to bring me to this page, and I am going to hit save. And now I can use this sticker. So once you're in the chat that you want to send it to, you're going to click on the little page icon in the right hand side. So you'll click that, it's going to bring up your stickers, and then at the bottom you'll find your sticker with a little blue dot beside it, and it'll bring you down to my pack, Gracie's Stickers, and I can send it. And there you have it. That's how you create it on the mobile app. Okay, next I'm going to show you guys how to create stickers on the WhatsApp website. So this is also really simple. You're going to log into your WhatsApp and open up your chats, and you're going to click on a chat, and then on the left hand side of this chat you're going to find the plus symbol where you're going to hit that, and at the very bottom of this list you'll find new sticker. So here you're going to be presented with similar options. You can choose from a photo library, you can take a live photo, or you can choose from your files. For this example, I'm going to take a photo. Cool. Use photo. And now it's going to bring up a whole bunch of options here. So same idea, you can edit. On here we can do a bunch of the same things. We can crop it by selecting it, and then you can pull out from the corner and adjust the size, and there we go. And then over to the right, you can add emojis. And then as you can see, so on the third option on the page icon, if you click on this, this is going to bring up past stickers that I've made before. So I can even throw that one on if I wanted to. The next button over is text. So you can add text, you can type something. And at the bottom, you can edit the colors, the font, and the background of it. And then when you click on the pen, this is where you will edit the color of your text. The next one over is the blur feature. I think this feature is really cool, so you can add in a blur. Once you're finished creating your sticker, you're gonna go over to the right and click done. And then I can send this by clicking the icon in the bottom right corner and send. Alrighty, you guys, and as a bonus tip today, I'm going to show you how to use the AI sticker generator on WhatsApp. This is a new feature, I believe, and so it's pretty simple. You're going to click on the chat you wish to send this to. Then you're going to click on the sticker icon, and you'll find here at the bottom, create. And when you click that, it's going to bring you right to the create AI stickers. And all you're gonna do is type in what you want the AI to create for you. So, for example, a couple holding hands. It'll take several moments, and there you go. The AI generated 4 different stickers for me. Super helpful and really simple. Alrighty, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that this was helpful, and I hope that you can use this information and pass it on to somebody else who needs it. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.